What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another price update, price prediction on Solana, which is still ongoing. As you can see, the pump is still ongoing guys, 18% up in the last 24 hours. It's currently trading at $13.24. so where is it heading to next? And those of you who have missed the boat, is it still time to invest into it? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you're on a profit, or is it going to go even higher than what it's worth right now, hitting about $15 to $20 over the coming days and weeks? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, looking at its price prediction and looking at both buyers and sellers point of view, and overall in 2023, how far can this crypto go? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website, and we can see here in the last 24 hours the market has gone up by just about a percentage. However, Solana has managed to gain the second top gainers list in the last 24 hours, and it has been in the top gainers list over the last 2 to 3 days. It has been gaining value quite consistently, which is absolutely insane. And we can also see here that in the last hour it has more or less fluctuated, but overall it even peaked up to about 24% earlier on today, dropped back down, and right now picking back up in value over the week at 18% up, which is absolutely insane. Most cryptos on the weekly chart, they are down, but again Solana has managed to gain a good amount of value. However, it does look like Solana is performing very well, but if you look at it overall for the last year, it is down 92% with major drops throughout the whole year. But yeah, at the moment it is slowly and steadily starting to recover, but again it is nowhere near worth how much it was worth last year or this time last year, and it hasn't even fully recovered yet. So yeah, let's not get too haps right now. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by over 100% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.1 billion in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Solana. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, as it is pumping more and more over the last couple of days. More and more people are investing, and a lot of people are also selling it, taking out the profits and potentially reinvesting the profits whenever it drops back down. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and we do have the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Solana at $11.48. However, it is trading at $13.34, meaning it is performing quite well and much better than expected, especially with the major pumps that's been taking place over the last 24 to 48 hours. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer guys. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we can see the blue and the orange line are flat out going in a straight line, not looking bullish or bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what we should expect over the coming hours. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, early tomorrow to midday tomorrow, I am expecting Solana to be trading at just about $13.50 to $14, somewhere in between that target. Again, we are going to see red candles. As you can see here, red candles are always part of the process, but overall it's likely that it's going to be moving towards the positive direction. So around $13.50 to $14 is what my expectations are so far. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we are looking quite bullish. We got both the blue and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive. So again, an overall increase in value is what we should expect over the coming days. So in this case, I'm talking about towards the end of this week, very early next week, I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value on Solana. We should hopefully be trading above the $15 mark towards the end of this week, and that is taking into consideration the dips that are about to take place as well. I've mentioned this plenty of times, guys, in most of my videos. Whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here to Solana, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to Solana. There's no different. So again, yes, I'm expecting a little bit more red candlesticks over the coming days, but overall we are likely to move towards a positive direction, meaning the green candles are going to overtake the red candles, meaning an overall increase in value is what we should expect over the coming days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, still looking bullish, still looking positive, guys. Again, an overall increase in value is what is expected over the coming weeks as well. So let's say by late February, early March, I am expecting Solana to be trading around the $25 mark. Again, it may seem like a major increase right now, but if we give it a good 8 to 9 weeks time, we should be seeing it trade between $22 to $25, somewhere in between there. But again, it depends on the market conditions. With any major crashes, major pumps, major bull runs, this thing will have an impact on the value of Solana and most cryptos out there as well. If I do predict such things, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as soon as I can and as much as I can. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far it's looking very good for Solana, guys. I'm holding on to it, and I have been holding on to it as well. But again, just because it's looking quite good at the moment, it doesn't mean it's performing very well over the last 3-4 months. Overall, it is still down quite majorly, especially with the crash that took place. So again, we need to be very, very careful when it comes to Solana, because it's likely to take a hit anytime, just like what happened about 3-4 months ago, where it literally crashed so hard and a lot of people did lose money. But at the moment, it's slowly starting to recover. But again, do bear in mind that it is still down overall for the past 4 to 5 months. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, there isn't much we can do here. Only reason is we are not even close to the resistance target. We are trading all the way down here in the red zone, and for us to hit the resistance line, we're going to have to hit at least $62.67, which I'm not expecting from Solana anytime soon. Potentially second half of the year is where I'm expecting us to head into the green zone. But again, this could be from the second half to all the way to December. Again, it's going to take its time. We're going to have to give it that time that it needs to take for it to pump up in value. We can't rush with these things. You know, cryptocurrency is a very volatile market. So yeah, it's going to take a while, but as long as we get there, we should be good to go. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Solana, guys. Comment down below your end of year target for this crypto. Can it hit $30, $40, $50, $100? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, and especially that I've seen a lot of positive and negative comments around Solana. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.